So this is the application I was telling you about in my email. It's a reporting application that's used to consolidate all the reports into one place and let you run them from there, and also set up a distribution. That's the really interesting thing about the system is how the reports are distributed. So right now we have the daily stats report set up, and I'm not going to talk too much about this report, but I am going to just show you that you can get input from different systems. This has input from the HCHP system and also a system called Synergy. So you tell it where the input is and it will merge it into the report. This is when you run the daily stats, it will actually run the report from the data that you indicated. It actually generates the report into Excel and formats it. We'll take a look at that later. And then it actually emails it out to a distribution list. And the distribution list is set up so that you can indicate what people get the report and what level of report they get. So we have the agency level here, which is like your north, south, PA home care, PA hospice. You would set up each as a different agency provider. There is a branch level, so you would have the individual branches set up so that you can, and this is again so you can assign responsibility to a person so that they can see the report at that level. There's also a thing called area setup, probably something that you wouldn't use, but I want to show you how the report generation works. So this is basically a grouping of branches by area that's different than the agency. And so the agency, two branches in this case, are maybe located close to each other geographically, but actually be part of different agencies. So this allows you to group them together for for managerial responsibility or reporting responsibility. So here's the report distribution setup, and let's see, we're going to go to this person here. She is accountable at a branch level, so she does not get the full company report. Here's all the options, and here are the things that she's assigned to. She gets nothing. She doesn't get the whole company report. She does not get even a full agency report. She gets an area report, which is the Northeast Texas area. Again, these are the available areas. These are the ones that she's assigned to. It's to add a different area, just as simple as double-clicking there, and then to remove it, I would do that. So I'm going to exit, and let's take a look at the branches that she's assigned to, because then we're going to see on the report output how that factors in. So now let's take a look. Let's say I went through this and I generated the report. Let's take a look at how it looks now. Normally you wouldn't even, someone running this report or even the people getting the report wouldn't come into this, into the directory and get the report. It actually, again, the system actually generates the report, generates a separate report for each person that gets a copy of the report. So let's look at the first one here, the first Excel file. This is the full report. It's got statistics rolled up to the I want to say company, but overall company. So this would be home care, Holy Redeemer Home Care. All the agencies rolled up if you wanted to see that. As you scroll down, you can see they have different states defined. Probably something you probably wouldn't need, but go down further. They have these are the areas we discussed. If you keep scrolling down, you get to the actual branches. These are the different, this is the statistics for each branch, and that just goes, on and on and on for all the different branches. Okay, so that's the full report. It has statistics at every level: the branch level, the area level, the state level, and then finally the overall company level, and as well as the agency level. So I'm going to exit out of that, and then this report is the custom report for Amanda Cowell that was automatically generated by the system and emailed to her. So double click on that, and we can see here she doesn't have anything about the company level or the agency level. She has the area level that she is responsible for or has the rights to see. And if we scroll down, we'll see the branches that she was assigned to. And you can assign different people to the same branch. It's not, there's just basically doesn't necessarily say that they're responsible for that branch, but that they're allowed to see that branch. So you can assign any branch to any person. And I won't talk too much about these statistics because these are some of them are obvious. You'll recognize them, but they have their own format for how they want to view them in terms of prior months and the current week to date statistics there. So, and that is about it.